Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's daily meditation, where we're going to erase the detours. What do I mean by that? I mean, we're going to take a look. We're going to kind of step out of ourselves this morning and take a look at where we want to go and where are the detours that are stopping us from getting there, and just erase them in our mind's eye. Take out those detours. We're also going to quickly look behind us, and we're going to notice where these detours have a pattern. And we're going to erase the pattern from the past so it doesn't continue into the future. And we're going to erase the ones in the future. So let's get started. As always, we do a prayer of protection in the Lord's Prayer. We'll go into a simple guided meditation. I will speak through a portion of this one a little more than usual, so there'll be only a short quiet period. We'll end that with the chimes as always, and as we pull ourselves back into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. And hopefully you don't mind going a few minutes late, since it took me a few minutes to get my head together. Let's take a deep breath, close our eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and just invite your body to let go and relax. Scan your body now for any place where there might be tightness or discomfort. Bring your attention to those spots and invite them to just let go. Notice how amazing it is that our physical body just listens to our mind so quickly when we focus on something. Fully relaxed, we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Let us once again notice that beautiful light that flows through us, that amazing force of energy that enters from the top of our head and exits at our feet. This is the Spirit, the divine. It's its energy always bringing us what we need, flowing through us continuously, nurturing us, nourishing us. And the only thing that stops us from really absorbing everything that the divine has for us is our own limitations. So let us just notice right now all this flow going into us and bring our attention to where it kind of settles, which is in the dantian, just below the belly button. Imagine, if you need to, but feel the energy there, spinning around, filling up that whole section of your body. It really stimulates this area as it moves through to your feet and out again, because this is that part of you that the great I Am is, where he rests within. So let us take that part of us and lift it up to just above our belly buttons in the solar plexus. And now invite it to rise up again to our hearts, feeling the energy in each of these places, how intense it becomes, rising into our throat, into the middle of our head. And as we rise up, we invite our spirit to arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker. Let us arise now just above ourselves, secure and at peace. Notice around you this giant ring of fire. It is the spirit fire, this fire from the divine protecting you, keeping you safe as you take a look at your life's journeys. Looking to your left, you see your past. You know you have a main path in life. You know you have a certain purpose. Notice how often you detoured from your purpose. Don't judge it, just notice it to learn. Let us erase now. Just take this magic eraser in your hand and gently rub out the detours so as to erase the pattern, the habit, so as it doesn't move into the future. No judgment. This was just a learning process. There's nothing to judge. And now that you have a straight path, let us look to our right and notice the path you are meant to be on, the one that God laid out for you to be fully fulfilled. Notice there is some detours that have already started to form before you even got there. That is because they were forming from our past habits. Let us once again take the eraser and gently, without judgment, more with gratitude for the opportunity, and erase those detours. Now, coming from your past into your future is a straight line, a perfect path, fulfilling what it is, fulfilling your purpose, your joy. And by fulfilling your joy, you bring joy to others. It is not selfish, it is your purpose. Now let's just sit here for a moment and be very grateful for the opportunity that was given us to erase the detours and to see a straight path ready for us to step onto. Let us be grateful for the opportunity and grateful for the strength to take this path and live our lives fully. And as we gently pull our energy back into our heads and settling it into our body, becoming fully aware, wiggling our fingers and toes, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a place of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Rough start this morning. Thank God I can edit these videos before I upload them to YouTube. It was so much fun. I hope to see you guys tonight when we have a discussion about reincarnation on empowerment through intuition, 9 p.m. on Facebook Live. See you then, or see you tomorrow morning. Have a blessed day. Bye now.